NG up on the scene. Big up and air up to Stef the Alter Nerd. Popcorn Planet and the Lewis and its king. We know them know the flex on the scene. Them a dicey the drama, them sharp and keen. Know me have to drop this bomb like a shell. Harry and Meghan, you know this can't end well. Sugars, oh sugars, defend them like a shield. But the truth too bright, it not forget revealed. Harry and Meghan, them drama can't see us. In the bashment, we roast them to grease. Every minute, every hour, them get on the stage. But we day after laugh, we set the world thing ablaze. Harry flee from the palace, same wallet free. But freedom come with price, now him last at sea. Harry same broke, but still royal and blessed. Get a beg for money like him lost him on dress. Meghan in the courts, a fight with the press. But she up front the camera in the prettiest dress. Harry same broke, but still royal and blessed. Get a beg for money like him lost him on dress. Meghan in the courts, a fight with the press. But she up front the camera in the prettiest dress. Them say it's love, but love can't last with so much heat. Every day them a cry, them can't even take defeat. Sugars online, we see them war like soldiers true. But we no fool, we don't see through them idiotic rules. Harry a follow like him losing mind. Meghan lead the way up, but it messy behind. Them never no prosperity like flood. But I know them can't clean up the mud. Sugars, oh sugars, them blind like bad. Defend Harry and Meg, but the truth I get fat. In the bashment, we can't stop laugh. The way them life a run, the turn like craft. Every turn them make more lies come true. But we day have to watch, the whole show true. Harry same broke, but still royal to the bone. Still a beg for money, yet him sit on the throne. Meghan she a sue, said the media too vile. But when the cameras flash, she pose with style. Them talk about privacy, but every move loud. Can't hide from the truth when you're living in a crowd. Them fling dirt on the royal, say them want to heal. But now them life messy, who I deal with the real. Harry a puppet, Meghan a pull the string. And give up him family for the freedom she bring. England to Cali, every day it get worse. We have to wonder if them two under some kind of curse. Them book deals podcast looking for fame, but all them do is drag the royal name. Meghan a play victim, but me not believe that every move calculated, the lies them fat. Sugars, oh sugars, them love defend. But the truth in a plain sight, it can't even bend. Harry and Meghan, them life fun joke. In the bashment, them story up in smoke. We roast them well from dusk to dawn. Them can't escape the fire, we burn like storm. Them move to Hollywood, but what them really do? Playing the victim card, but the world I see through. Harry left him family, say he can't take no more. But now him dep on Netflix, him heart still sore. Meghan write letter after letter, say she dey in pain. But me have to ask, you sure you really gain? The paparazzi chase, the lawsuits pile up. But your life don't seem so rough when you sit from Gold Cup.